Good morning, children. Yes, in the last class, what you have learned? We have discussed on articles. What are the articles are there? Before going to the start that, what is article? Article is a small word. Where to use the article? Do you know? A noun before a noun or an adjective. Is it right? Articles are small words. These words used before a noun or an adjective. Is it understand? This thing already you learnt in the previous class. Okay. What are the articles are there? A or an and the. A or an and the. These are two types of articles. Okay. A or an. What type of articles? A or an. These are indefinite articles. A or an indefinite article, but the is a definite article. Is it understand? A or an, what type of article? Indefinite article. Then the that is a definite article. Is it understand? Okay. Let us see next. Yes, A. A article used before which sound? A article used before which sound? Consonant sound or vowel sound? Come on, tell me. A or A, it is used before S consonant sound. For example, a car, a boy, a girl, a driver. Okay, because these words start with what? Consonant. C is there, B is there, G and D. Okay, then yan. Yan article used before what sound? Vowel sound. Vowel sound before we have to use yan article. What are the vowels are here? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. Those are vowels. Okay. Example: an Indian, then an ice cream or an apple, an engineer, or example, see here, an umbrella, an orange. Okay. Before these words, we have to use an article because these words start with the vowel sound. Indian, apple, engineer, or example, umbrella, then orange. Is it understand? Okay. I told you sometimes what's happened depend on what we pronounce. On the pronouns base, we have to use article. What we have pronounced on the pronunciation, we have to use articles. Okay. For example, our, honest, honorable. See here. Our, honest, honorable. Before these words, what article you have to use? A or N? A article or an article? Come on, tell me. An article. Because here in these words, H is a silent. In these words, which letter is silent? H is a silent. For this reason, you have to use an article. Okay, let's see next. University, union, uniform, then useful, okay, unique, See here, university, union, uniform, useful, and unique. Before these words, what article I told you to use? Yes, yeah article, because these words start with the vowel. Yes, of course, agree. But pronounced like a consonant. Pronounced like a consonant, it means Y. It gives a Y. University, union, uniform, useful, unique, then uniform. See here, I already informed written. Okay, don't write it. See here, because pronounced like a consonant. Pronounced like a consonant. For this reason, we have to use the article before the words. University, union, uniform, useful, unique. Is it understand? Okay. Yes, remaining. What is remaining in article? What is remaining in article? Yes, the. The it is used before particular person or thing or place. It is used before particular person or thing. Particular person or thing. Okay. So just remove person, only thing. Particular person, place or thing. Write it, no problem. Person, place or thing that is used. Is it understand? The it is used before particular person, place or thing. Is it understand? So let us see in which are the cases we have to use the article. In which are the cases we have to use the article. Let's see one by one. First one is what? First point, before the names of rivers, oceans and seas. See here. First point, just remember, look at the board clearly. Before the names of water, rivers, oceans and seas. Is it understand? For example, the Kaveri. Kaveri is a river. Okay. The Kaveri is a river. Here the Kaveri because Kaveri is the name of river. Here A because R is there. R it is a consonant. For this reason, so we have to use A here. Kaveri before the is there because Kaveri is the Kaveri is what? Name of river. Okay. Then SIC bracket or sorry in the blank Red Sea. So Red Sea it means name of the sea name. So here the Red Sea. Okay, then the Hindu Ocean. The Hindu Ocean. Here the because Hindu it is the name of ocean. Is it understand what I am telling? Hindu it is name of ocean name. For this reason we have to use the article. Is it understand? Let's see next. Next, before the names of newspaper, magazine, newspapers and magazines. Do you know? Are you reading the newspaper? In every morning, what you get? A newspaper. Come on, tell me any newspaper name. Yes, of course. In Kannada, Vijay Karnataka is there, Sanyutta Karnataka, Kannada Prabha, and Vijayavani. Those are Kannada newspapers. So English, the Deccan Herald, the Hindustan Times. Okay. So many English newspapers are there. Okay. Here, before the names of newspapers and magazines. Then, just magazines. Are you know what is magazine? Monthly magazine is there, weekly magazine is there. For example, Sudha, Tara, so many type of magazines available. Okay. Before the names of newspaper and magazine. For example, the Sudha, the Tara. These are magazine. Okay, let's see. Next, the Hindustan Times, the Vijay Karnataka. See here, Hindustan Times, it is the name of newspaper. Yes, it is what a newspaper name. Then Vijay Karnataka, it is also Kannada newspaper. Okay, these are newspapers, Hindustan and Vijay Karnataka. But Sudha and Tara, those are what? Magazines. Okay, is it understand? Yes. Have you got this point? Okay, let's see next. So before the names of musical instruments, come on, tell me any musical instruments. Yes, musical instruments. For example, flute, violin, then guitar, sitar, harmonium. So these are what? Flute, violin, guitar, sitar, harmonium, tabla, whatever you take. Those are what? Musical instruments. Before any musical instruments, we have to use the article. Is it understand? The flute, the violin, the guitar, the sitar, the harmonium. Is it understand? Before the names of musical instruments. Then before the names of sacred or holy books. Before the names of sacred or holy books. For example, the Ramayana, then the Quran, the Bible, the Granth Sahib, whatever you take, the Gita, it means Bhagavad Gita. See here, Ramayana, Quran, Bible, Gita, these are holy or sacred books. These are holy or sacred books. So before the holy books or sacred books, we have to use the article. Are you getting? Yes. Before the names of sacred or holy books, we have to use the article. Let's see next. Names of mountains. Names of mountains. For example, the Mount Everest. Mountain Everest. The Himalaya. Then Vindhya. The Vindhya. See here, all these are mountains name or mountains range. Yes, Himalaya and Vindhyas. These are mountains range. The Mount Everest is the name of the mountain. Before this, we have to use the article. Is it understand? So let's see next one. Before the names of ordinals. Ordinal means numbers. For example, the first, the third floor, the fourth. See here, before the number, we have to use the article. Is it? I go to the fourth floor. Okay, I got the first place in the quiz competition. She got the second prize in Rangoli competition. Is it understand? Before the ordinals or numbers, we have to use the article. Is it understand? Okay. Directions. Before the names of directions, which are the directions are there? How many directions are there? 4 directions are there, other 4 sub directions. Okay, main 4 directions. Come on, tell me. East, west, north, south. Yes, in which direction the sun rises? East. The moon sets in west. Does it understand? Okay. See here the names of direction. The east, the west, the north, the south. See here the east, the west, the north, then the south. Here east, west, north, south, these are what? Directions. Even northeast, northwest, southwest, southeast, other sub directions are there. Just these are main directions. For example, we move towards the east. Does it understand? We move towards the east. The sun rises in the east or west? East. Does it understand? Here, that's like example. Is it understand? Okay. Before the universal objects, universal or natural objects. For example, the sun, the moon, the Jupiter. Jupiter it is a planet. Okay. Before the star. Okay. Before the universal object, we have to use what? The article. The sun, okay, the moon, the Jupiter, then the star. Okay. So before the superlative degree, then next step, in which case we have to use the article. Superlative degree. Yes. What are the degrees are there? Positive, comparative, then superlative degree. Yes, 3 degrees are in English. So superlative degree, the adjective form end with what? St, est. Adjective form, superlative adjective form end with what? Est. So tallest, okay, wisest, biggest, then smallest. See here, all these words end with what? EST. It means adjective forms end with what? EST. So before the superlative degree, we have to use the article. The tallest, the wisest, the biggest, then the smallest. Just understand? Okay. Before the historical events and monuments. For example, the first war of the first here, yes, the first war of independence. Independence took in 1857. Okay, historical events. Then the French Revolution. Then the Independence Day. The Independence Day. The Republic Day. Then let's see monuments. The Taj Mahal, the Qutub Minar, or Bijapur. You take near example. Bijapur, what is in Bijapur? Gol Gumbaz is there, na? Gol Gumbaz, modern building, na? That is historical building. Okay, Gol Gumbaz, this like. Is it understand? Before the historical events or monuments, we have to use the article. Then yes, I hope you understood definite article and indefinite article. Okay, so total 15 examples, 15 article example we have to write. Okay, 15 article examples. Write 15 examples, maybe a or an or the, whatever you take, any article you take, but 15 examples just including all articles, a and the. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಎ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ದ 15 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಗಳು ಕೂಡ ಅವು ಏನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಆರ್ಟಿಕಲ್ಸನ್ನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿರ್ಬೇಕು. ಅಂದರೆ ಒಂದು 5 ಎ, ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ ಆನ್ 15, ಸಾರಿ ಎ 5, ದೆನ್ ಆ್ಯನ್ 5, ದೆನ್ ದ 5, ಟೋಟಲ್ 15 na. So this like you have to write 15 articles. Okay. Is it understand? It is your homework. See you in the next class.